Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make this quick and easy flavor packed one pot chicken and cabbage recipe. It's a flavorful recipe, quick and easy to make for those busy weeknights. So if you guys are interested to see more of how I make this recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, we are going to use 4 bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. This is what my chicken thighs looks like. It's nice and clean, it's already washed. We're going to go right in and season this beautiful chicken. So we're going to add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil onto the chicken. Next, we're going to add our complete seasoning to add lots of flavor to these beautiful chicken thighs. Garlic powder, ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of Creole seasoning. To add some flavor and that nice color to these beautiful chicken, we're going to add our paprika seasoning. And next we're going to go in with our sea salt, massage the chicken very well, just like that. In the meantime, we're going to get our pot ready. Make sure your pot is on medium heat. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of butter into the pot, a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to place these beautiful chicken thighs just like that into the pot. We're going to cook for 3 to 5 minutes on both sides. Once the chicken thighs are fully cooked, this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful, nice and brown, as you guys can see. We're going to remove the chicken from the pot. We're going to get our veggies ready. We're going to add a teaspoon of fresh garlic to the pot, fresh carrot, fresh onion. Saute for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to go in with 1 cup of cabbage. Saute again for 30 seconds. Then we're going to place these beautiful chicken thighs into the pot, just like that. And those chicken thighs looks absolutely beautiful, guys. The smell is so amazing. We're going to add 1 cup of chicken broth onto the chicken. We're going to cook for 30 to 35 minutes. And this is the final results once it's done. We're going to simmer down for about 5 minutes. And this is the final results. Came out absolutely beautiful. It's a quick and easy recipe, very cozy, flavor packed, tasty recipe for those busy weeknights. So if you're a busy mom, this is a recipe to keep. I hope you guys enjoy watching this quick and easy one pot chicken and cabbage recipe. If you enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you beautiful friends in my next video. Take care. Bye guys.